So Jagat, this is about the sustainable business model. So the first question is, okay, man, why should you listen to this Gyan? Why does it really matter? I have an idea, I have a thing, let me just go for it. But be careful. It is important that as a startup, you must get your business model right. You can go for pivots as you're dealing with more and more customers. You'll get a better idea of what you need to do, how to solve customer pain points. But if you don't have a clearly written down business model, you will not really for you and for your customers. Like, what do you want to do? Like, what do you want your team to do? Right? I mean, your team also should be given direction, right? What is the mission? What is the vision? What are the customer segments? What are the revenue models? What is our cost structure? So that's what a business model is going to very clearly define. Okay. And you must be very clear that only when you have a good business model, you can grow, you can scale up. And if you want to improve, you want to make things better, you want to be disruptive, you want to be seen as someone who's offering something which no one else is giving, you need to have the business model. So what is a business model? Your partners, your resources, your customer relationship, your key activities. What is the way you're going to make money? How are you going to distribute? So, I mean, even culture could be a business, isn't it? They say that movies is a business, books is a business, and it's all about culture, plays, theater. And yes, we have had challenges. We have had COVID, demonetization, GST challenges. You got to do everything remotely. So few things that are going on, and hopefully they will not hammer you very badly. But let's also study and see what is not going too well. Then yes, the very clear thing is that make sure that Jagat, business, right? Business is about legal, about contracts, having enough cash flows. So while you're building a sustainable business model, a humble request to all the founders and entrepreneurs: yes, passion makes a difference, but cash keeps you running and cash keeps you going. So remember that. This is something that you all know, but still, let's get back into it. There are certain industries not doing too well, so be a little bit careful about that. But there are so many other businesses where there's a huge opportunity that's been thrown up, going directly to the customer, edtech, SaaS, and the way video can be playing the game right across there, right? I mean, you see how gaming is growing. Jagat also is talking about how more and more customers are using it in very unique, different ways, which even Jagat you might not have thought about when you were creating Vidphone and all these various abilities and services and innovations. Okay. And a few things, right? I mean, about problem solving is what a business model is all about, right? You're thinking of a pain point which you need to solve, and you know that the customer will say that yes, we want this to be solved, we're willing to pay for it. What do people need? What is their pain point? Are they willing to pay for it? Do they have ability to pay for it? Now that is what a business model has to solve. And you must also understand your cost. Okay, you cannot keep burning money and losing money. If you're funded, also that's not the game, right? Because you're creating so much of value that at some point of time you're going to make lots of money for everyone who's backing you up. So, can you solve a big problem for people right now? Will they pay you for it? And how will you solve it so that you can easily get the solution to them? And you will be doing this within your resources and whatever constraints that you have. Okay, it's going to be affordable, it's going to be easy to use, there's plenty of value, and you're going to make lots of money. And please get into the market. Jagat, we just had a talk that it's about a 90-day plan. No, here I put it 6 months, 12 months, and everything. But as founders, you have to look at 60 days, 90 days. You have to have cash flow. And I want to emphasize once again, right, what I've highlighted: profit. You must make money. You must make money again and again. Right, that is the most important thing. Market research of how am I going to sell, where do I sell, how will I get the messaging across to my customers, what is my customer acquisition strategies, how do I use remote sales, how do I use video. That is such an important and critical thing. And what will it cost me to do that? How do I engage with my market? How big is my market? So these are questions that you must talk to your mentors, talk to customers. As a team, you should be discussing. Do your research work. There's a lot of information available out there. So these are the critical things, and your buyer persona. Who will pay? Who will pay? Who will pay? Who will give you money? How will you make profits? I think that's what really matters. Something that I will never, ever stop talking about is a blue ocean strategy, that you have to choose your market well. Don't go into something where you only feel that by giving free and hoping that the customer will pay after some time. It's a red ocean, lots of competition. Unless you're different, unless you're addressing a need which was not really being addressed properly and people are willing to pay for it, how will you execute it?